Learning programming is a valuable skill in today's technology-driven world. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your coding knowledge, there are numerous approaches and resources available to help you master programming languages and concepts. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore some of the best and proven strategies to learn programming effectively. From online courses and practice projects to community involvement and continuous learning, you'll find a wealth of guidance to kickstart your programming journey. Choose the right programming language. 1. Begin by selecting a programming language that aligns with your goals and interests. 2. Popular options include Python, Versatile, JavaScript, web development, and Java, object-oriented. Online learning platforms. 1. Utilize online platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy. 2. These platforms offer interactive courses with step-by-step tutorials and practical exercises. 3. Codecademy and Khan Academy provide free options, while Coursera and edX offer both free and paid courses. Interactive coding challenges. 1. Platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeSignal offer coding challenges to enhance problem-solving skills. 2. These challenges mimic real-world scenarios and encourage you to think critically. Project-based learning. 1. Undertake hands-on projects that apply programming concepts to real-world applications. 2. Projects boost practical skills and demonstrate your abilities to potential employers. YouTube and video tutorials. 1. YouTube hosts a plethora of programming tutorials and walkthroughs. 2. Follow channels like the Net Ninja, Traversy Media, and Sendex for in-depth explanations. Coding bootcamps. 1. Enroll in coding bootcamps for intensive, immersive learning experiences. 2. Bootcamps focus on practical skills and often include collaboration on group projects. Online communities. 1. Join coding communities like Stack Overflow, Reddit's R, Learn Programming, and GitHub. 2. Engage in discussions, seek help, and contribute to open-source projects. Read documentation and books. 1. Explore official documentation for your chosen programming language. 2. Books, both online and offline, provide in-depth insights into programming concepts. Practice regularly. 1. Consistency is key. Set aside dedicated time for coding practice. 2. Regular practice helps reinforce learning and boosts your coding skills. Collaborate on projects. 1. Collaborate with fellow learners on coding projects. 2. Teamwork enhances problem-solving skills and exposes you to diverse perspectives. Attend workshops and meetups. 1. Participate in coding workshops, webinars, and meetups in your local community or online. 2. These events offer networking opportunities and insights from experienced programmers. Learn by teaching. 1. Teach programming concepts to others, either through tutoring or creating educational content. 2. Explaining concepts solidifies your understanding and helps others learn. Embrace continuous learning. 1. The field of programming is dynamic. Stay updated with new languages and technologies. 2. Engage in ongoing learning through podcasts, online courses, and industry blogs. Build a portfolio. 1. Showcase your coding projects in an online portfolio. 2. A portfolio demonstrates your skills and makes you stand out to potential employers. Conclusion. Learning programming is an enriching journey that requires dedication, practice, and a growth mindset. By combining various strategies like online learning platforms, interactive coding challenges, project-based learning, and community involvement, you can effectively acquire programming skills. Remember that learning to code is a gradual process, and each step you take contributes to your growth. Embrace challenges, seek support from online communities, and enjoy the satisfaction of creating functional programs. With consistent effort and a passion for learning, you'll pave the way for a successful programming career or personal projects that showcase your coding prowess.